Hello, it's Matt, and welcome to episode 69 of Gross Oversimplifications, where I talk about how to do stuff to your guitar yourself. And I was going to talk about electronics again, but because it's 69, and when you say 69 on the internet, everybody goes, nice, for some reason. So maybe I could give you all some advice. And I promise it won't rhyme like that, because that was weird. And I am no rap-ist. Anyway, let's do it. Let's go. 3 minutes on being nice, which is the number one life hack of all time. I promise. And you're like, what has this got to do about guitars? It's got everything to do about guitars. It's got everything to do with music. It's got everything to do about life. Okay? So why do I say that? I have been in bands for 30 years. And I know everybody's going to be like, oh, he's not old enough. And that's nice of you to say. But it's true. And I've seen this play out so many times. And if you are in a band, or you want to be in a band, or whatever the scenario is, and you go to a show, and you're nice to the other bands, you're nice to the sound people, you're nice to the bar staff, to the venue, to the booker, to whoever you meet, you are nice to. Next time, when they're picking bands, and I've done it, when you're like, oh man, that band sucked, but they're so nice, you give them another chance. You're nice to them, because it does cut both ways. If you are the best band on earth, and you're a bunch of pricks, you're not getting another show. The sound people will be like, nah, they're getting the worst mix ever. This is how it works. This is it. I don't know who came up with nice guys finish last, but I guarantee they were a massive jerk. Okay? And I have been on the cold face of retail. I've seen some things. Okay? And I promise you, when you go into the shop, you go to the guitar shop to buy some strings or whatever. If you're nice, you might get a discount. Maybe. Dunno. You might get a discount next time. You might get told something that you wouldn't normally get told. You make their day good, they'll make your everything. They'll make your coffee better. You know, if you're an asshole in a shop, that's how you get your drink spat in. And I swear, when you're a bad customer, they'll talk about you for weeks afterwards. And it's not going to be a pleasant thing. And the next time you come in, you're going to get, everybody's on the back foot already. So just be nice. I don't care if you're having a bad day. Just tuck it in and be nice. When you come here, you talk to me, you talk to my staff downstairs, you be nice, you get great service. Otherwise, I'll kick you out. Easy as that. I might do another episode on kicking people out. But it has been nice to talk to you. It has been nice of you to watch this far, and it would be nice if you don't unsubscribe. Yeah, that's it.